Hello, hello, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for December 29th. Tigers get 2 points in the lead with SPY exiting at 12%, and UAA. Here are the numbers. There we are. SPY exited today at 669, and we got in at 597. We made a profit of $72. We have 12% in 31 days. $72 is a profit on this trade exit, and minus $2 for the fee because only one contract, making knocking $70 off the O to a new O of 786 for the SPY. And then our other exit was UAA. Let's go on to UAA. And UAA also exited today. It exited right here on this gap opening right there. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little closer. Uh, this is we are getting down to the conclusion of the trade challenge. Let me get this a little closer so we can all see in perspective. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So we had our last bar low here because it was a call and it gapped open down and it got taken out here for $15 on three contracts, $45, $4 on minus on fees, $41 net for the trade, $12.42 on the carried loss to a now new ode of 12.01. And that is it for we had the other exits. I'm gonna go into and then our we'll go into the end of the video. We'll, now our new leader is Pepsi at 8%. And because we are coming to the end of the challenge, this is the end of the challenge. You only have 1.5 more trading days. That's tomorrow and Thursday. Thursday will be a half day. The market will close 10 a.m. California time. They'll close at 1 o'clock p.m. New York time. So the this is where we got on the last bar low on all these positions, or last bar high accordingly, because we're closing out this and getting ready for the new challenge of next week and going into the new year. Still going over my notes and still looking at some ideas here on where we're going, and we're going to be looking at a major announcement on Friday, New Year's Day, because we are going into a whole new different arena. Yes, it's going to be exciting, very exciting. So that's it for Pepsi. Pepsi's now moved up here, last bar low here, holding at 8%. Okay, let's go on now to the alphas, and then I'll review all the losers at the end for those who want to stick around. There was no profit exits on the alphas. The leader now is PGR and T. Both are holding on. So PGR, correct. PGR, correct. And it's a call, and last bar low is here. They're running at 8% on one contract right there at the bottom of the last bar low. For the conclusion, they only has tomorrow and next day to exit this trade. If it does not exit tomorrow on last bar low, then we will exit on close on Thursday. That's because I'll have to put in a special order into the market saying flat to close my positions on the close, no matter where I'm at. Going on now to T, and T is holding on. It's a put, and it's got last bar high right here, last bar high for it's out. So if it reverses tomorrow and gets stopped out, then we'll be able to pick up that. Okay, now let's go on to the bad news. And since we're here at the alphas, we are might as well just go on right now to the losers. And for those who wish to call it quits, go ahead, take it. Okay, here are the losers reports. So on the losers, Nike got stopped out for $155 loss, one contract, 155, $2 in fee, 157 loss. Had a carry loss of 1697 with a new low of 1853. That takes us now to CVX was our next exit, and CBX is running here, and it it got stopped out at $191. One with one contract, $2 in fees, coming up to $2 $93 is for the trade loss, coming up with a new O of 1742. Going on now to PG. We are at PG here, or we are at PG, and PG got stopped out for a loss. $150, one contract, 155, two fees, 152 for the loss, 25.14 for the carry to a 26.66. And then going to RCL, our next exit, and RCL got hit with a 140 down. Minor contract, $2 a fee, 142 loss, 1698 was the carry to a now 1840. That is a conclusion there of the Alphas losers. Let's go back now to the Tigers exit. Tigers exit was Dominion on D. Dominion D got was a call, and the stop was last bar low was here. It got stopped out here this morning at 121. Three contracts, 363, $4 in fees, 367 for the trade loss, 1515 for the carry, and now a new of 1882. Now it takes us on to Walgreen. Now here Walgreen, remember Walgreen was our tug of war, and the Alphas got exited last week. The Tigers got exited today, and the Tigers got exited with a loss, and they lost $10. $5, five contracts, $50, $7 in fees, 57 lost for the trade, but it carried 2069 with a new O of 2126. And then IYR was our other loss leader, and then all these loss leaders will be carrying forward into their new strategies. That's what's going to be happening. So this got stopped out. This was a put, and look at this. It opened high, so it got stopped out on the high right there. It took us off for 120, one contract, and minus 120, $2 in fees. 122, 1391 was a carry for a new O of 1513. Had we continued, this still would have been stopped out because the fact is it had a close above. Oh no, it didn't. It would have been carried it forward. All right, but that's it. The challenge is done. 6 months, we did it, and there are some reviews going on as to how to improve these strategies going forward into the future. So that will be happening, and we'll be looking forward to our new challenges starting for next week on Monday, and that would be Monday the 4th. Monday the 4th would be our will be our new challenges. So with that said, let's go ahead and conclude today's report. For the losers become winners, Tigers win with SPY and UAA, adding 2 points to the scoreboard for 17 to the Tigers, 20 for the Alphas. With that, I thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out. Bye bye.